So this is how you can transfer your Pi network coins to your wallet. Now, this is a very simple tutorial, so let's get on with it. Simply open up your Pi app and now tap on the three lines at the top left. Now tap on mainnet, and this is your balance dashboard. This is where you're going to see every single detail about your coins, whether it's unverified, transferable, or migrated. Before we do this though, make sure that you have the mainnet checklist done. So the important parts of this is to make sure that you have a Pi wallet and verify it. Make sure you submit your KYC and get verified, and make sure that you have migrated to mainnet. Now let's move on with the transferring to wallet. So let's say you get coins from your unverified balance. So for example, you have 10 unverified balances. What you're going to want to do is simply tap on convert, and it's going to convert it into transferable balance. Now in its name, as you can see, it says transferable. What you're going to want to do is tap on transfer, and then make sure that you have a working wallet that is linked to your Pi network app. Once you're sure that you have a wallet that is working and is available for transfer, you're going to want to tap on transfer and put it to the migrate to mainnet. This basically means that it's going to migrate or transfer to your wallet. And here under the migrated section, you will see how many coins you have migrated or transferred, as well as how many is unverified and how many is transferable. So yeah, it's really that simple. Just make sure you have all of the requirements like the mainnet checklist, and making sure you have a Pi wallet. And once you have enough coins, like if you have enough unverified balance, you can now tap on convert. And then after that, once you've converted your unverified to transferable, you can now transfer them into your wallet very easily. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.